Welcome to the Learn Sphere. Let's start. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, involves authorized and legitimate attempts to bypass a system's security measures. The primary goal is to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the system so that they can be fixed before malicious hackers can exploit them. Ethical hacking is a critical component of cybersecurity and is practiced by professionals who adhere to a code of conduct and legal guidelines. Key aspects of ethical hacking. Permission. Ethical hackers obtain explicit permission from the system owner before conducting any tests or assessments. Objective. The main objective is to identify security flaws in a system, application, or network. This helps in strengthening the security measures and protecting sensitive data. Techniques. Ethical hackers use the same techniques and tools as malicious hackers, but their intent is to help, not harm. This includes methods like vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, social engineering, and more. Reporting. After identifying vulnerabilities, ethical hackers provide a detailed report to the organization outlining the weaknesses and offering recommendations for improvement. Confidentiality. Ethical hackers maintain confidentiality regarding the data and findings. They ensure that sensitive information is not disclosed to unauthorized parties. Steps involved in ethical hacking. Reconnaissance. Gathering information about the target system to understand its structure and identify potential entry points. Scanning. Using tools to scan the system for vulnerabilities and open ports. Gaining access. Attempting to exploit vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to the system. Maintaining access. Ensuring persistent access to the system to understand the extent of the vulnerability. Covering tracks. Ethical hackers might simulate the activities of malicious hackers by covering their tracks to understand how breaches can be hidden. Benefits of ethical hacking. Improved security. Identifies and mitigates security weaknesses before they can be exploited. Compliance. Helps organizations comply with industry regulations and standards. Risk management. Provides a clear understanding of potential risks and how to manage them. Trust. Enhances customer and stakeholder trust by demonstrating a proactive approach to security. Ethical hacking is an essential practice in modern cybersecurity, helping organizations protect their assets, data, and reputation in an increasingly digital world. Why ethical hacking? Information is one of the most valuable assets of an organization. Securing this information protects the organization's reputation and saves significant amounts of money. Cyber attacks can cause substantial financial losses, especially for businesses in the financial sector like PayPal. Ethical hacking helps these organizations stay ahead of cyber criminals, preventing potential business losses. Legality of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is legal if the hacker follows the rules outlined in the definition of ethical hacking. The International Council of E-commerce Consultants EC Council offers a certification program to assess individuals' skills. Those who pass the exam receive certificates, which must be renewed periodically.
What is cybercrime?
Cybercrime involves using computers and networks to engage in illegal activities such as spreading viruses, online bullying, and unauthorized electronic fund transfers. Most cybercrimes are executed over the internet, but some are carried out using mobile phones through SMS and online chat applications. Type of cybercrime. The following list presents the common types of cybercrimes. Computer fraud. Intentional deception for personal gain via the use of computer systems. Privacy violation. Exposing personal information such as email addresses, phone number, account details, etc. on social media, hacking a websites, etc. Identity theft. Stealing personal information from somebody and impersonating that person. Sharing copyrighted files, information. This involves distributing copyright protected files such as books and computer programs, etc. Electronic funds transfer. This involves gaining an unauthorized access to bank computer networks and making illegal fund transfers. Electronic money laundering. This involves the use of the computer to launder money. Denial of service attacks. This involves the use of computers in multiple locations to attack servers with a view of shutting them down. Spam. Sending unauthorized emails. These emails usually contain advertisements